on kind of the continuum of where we have ready-made standing to intervene on cases and where we don't. Immigration issues, that's federal law, and I don't have any criminal jurisdiction, and so immigration issues are kind of the one end of where it's less likely that I would have standing to oppose a particular policy. Defunding of Planned Parenthood, for example, if that's just an appropriations issue, there are limits to it. We haven't figured out the legal case there yet, but we have to wait and see exactly what they do. There are some, at the other end, are some issues where I clearly have jurisdiction, the CFPB being an example where, as I mentioned, since I'm deputized by federal law to enforce regulations of the CFPB, it's more likely, again, depending on what they do and how they do it, if all they do is they don't fund the agency adequately, there's not a lot I can do there, if that's the extent of it. But because I have standing to, and I'm part of what the CFPB is, it's more likely that I'll be able to show tangible harm and step in. That's true in spades with environmental regulations through the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act, and the regulations that the EPA has issued under Obama to deal with climate change. And that's because I am deputized, and environmental issues is something where you can pretty clearly show harm. If the, for example, these medium and heavy trucks, the mileage standards going forward, you can, if they change it from 10 miles a gallon, 15 miles a gallon minimum to 12 miles a gallon, and you can measure the pollutants that are result from that kind of change and quantify them into the damage that it does to kids with asthma and old people in Connecticut. And so that's an area where, again, waiting to see what they do, we're poised to intervene. And we're having, not me personally, but at the staff level, we're having regular meetings with the deep staff in the Department of Energy and Environmental Protection staff on gaming out what's likely to happen and what our response would be.